I am going to show you how to be friends with your budgie and how you know it's a female or a male. So first off, if you and close up, just take a budgie. So you can see this budgie here is a young budgie, because you can see by the spout of it is purplish pinkish. So you might be surprised that it's a female or male, but a couple months, like 2 months later, you will know if it's a female or a male budgie. Because you can see the spout of the budgie is a different color. Also, you can see if it's older, but you can see if it's a female or male, how it shouts or tweets. If it does a calming sound, that means it's a female. If it does a more serious sound, it's a male. So that's how you tell your budgie is a female, but this is how your budgie trusts you. Don't scare the budgie in any ways, so it needs to trust you. So a couple months maybe, the budgie will trust you. So I'm going to try to let her see she trusts me, because I just got her yesterday. It's gonna. And the other thing is that you gotta say something to the bird to make it more interested of the saying. But if you can fly for just a little bit, that means it's a little bit older than you're older. So there's 3 coats on a budgie. The first coat is pink, the second coat is purple, and the third coat is what you think. So, her disclosure. He doesn't like it. That's how you tell your budgie is a female or male. So, the tail is the most interesting thing. But close up the tail. It's playful. So how long is the tail? It's so long here. So if that's long, that means he's 1 year old. If it's so if it's get longer, the tail gets longer. The ability that she can fly, it's how it gets over. Sorry about the noise. It's like, yeah. So this is how you think your budgie is trust you or knows you out.